QuickBooks, expensive, notoriously complex, and honestly designed for accountants, not business owners. And if you're trying to manage your business finances using Excel with the incomplete data spread across multiple spreadsheets, then you know this doesn't work either. But there is a better way. This is Sage Small Business. Now, the minute you log in, you see exactly where your business stands. Your revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, operating expenses, and net income. All right here, not buried in a report, not waiting for your accountant to call, right here the second you log in. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Every service that you deliver has its own profitability dashboard. This is your IT and consulting engagement. You see your contract value, your revenue received, and your direct costs. You also see you have a 68% gross margin. Sage lets you know exactly what this service is making after direct costs before you ever open a spreadsheet. Now, let's pick a different service. Having the gross margin for all the products and services that you offer allows you to determine which products and services are carrying the business and which ones need a conversation about pricing. Now, we all know that clients are the lifeblood of any company. Sage provides a complete financial profile of every client. You see all-time revenue, fiscal year revenue, the services provided, and the payment history. You can even select by fiscal year, and the payment history automatically updates. So when a client calls with a billing question, you have the answer in about 5 seconds. No digging, no cross-referencing, and most importantly, no putting the client on hold. Sage offers a variety of reports to help you manage your business. Let's look at the profit and loss report. This gives you the full picture. You see your revenue, your cost of goods sold, your gross profit, your operating expense, and last but not least, your net income at the bottom. Now, let's take a look at this gross profit number. This is one that most small business owners have never seen clearly before. It tells you how profitable your business is before overhead ever touches it. And once you see it, you can't run your business without it. Now here's the feature that surprises most people. This is the AI Advisor, a financial assistant that actually knows your books. So let's ask it a question. Which of my services has the best gross margin? And the advisor is going through your books to pull out the answer. And here it is, in plain English. And you can ask it anything. Your top clients by revenue, which expense accounts are running over budget, how this quarter compares to last year. Anything. No reports to build and no formulas to write. Just ask. And for those of you that would prefer not to type, as you saw, even I had a problem there. Which clients have purchased more than $50,000 in services this fiscal year? And there you have the answer again, plain English. No reports to build and no formulas to write. Sage Small Business runs in your web browser. Nothing to install, nothing to maintain. It's affordable, secure, and built for the way small businesses actually work. So, if you're ready to know exactly where your business stands, click the Contact Us button and let's get you set up.